To achieve this operational effectiveness, manufacturers are collecting a lot more data today. Example, number of units that are produced per minute. They would capture temperature on a very specific piece of equipment. It's great to collect data, but the real benefit from having all this data is when it can help you manage your business more efficiently.
When you have to manage a huge amount of data, it's really important to be well organized. That's the reason most companies these days are using software like ERP software. Those software, a good example is Infor with the Cloud Suite Industrial. This software brings a lot of functionality that help companies to gather, to regroup all their information, be able to extract this information, analyze it, most of the time real time. Then after that, you're in a really good position to take the right business decisions.
At NoviPro, we have a team with a real manufacturing background. We have experts when it comes to supply chain and production management. What it means for our client is we can help them with their ERP implementation, we can help them with process re-engineering, or help with their strategic planning. But what we really like to think is we can help them with their transformation and the evolution of their business.